This guide will walk you through creating an agent in Dialogflow CX, enabling you to maximize the potential of advanced AI tools for a seamless user experience. From setting up the agent to testing its functionality, each step is crucial in building an effective agent for various applications. Access the Google CCAI project. Initiate the creation of a new agent. Select advanced AI tools for optimal user experience. Input the desired display name for the agent. Fill in test agent. Select the location for the agent. Choose the global serving option for data at rest in the US. Finalize and create the agent. Access the start page of the agent. Set up the default welcome intent for the agent. Configure the agent's dialog settings. Enter "Hello, I am test agent, how I can help you" in the provided field. Perform the specified action. Perform the specified action. Perform the specified action. Save the changes made to the agent. Initiate testing the agent's functionality. Engage in a conversation with the agent. Fill in the text box with "Hello." Navigate to the specified location. This guide covered the process of creating an agent in Dialogflow CX, including setting up its display name, location, dialog settings, and conducting testing. By following the precise instructions provided, you can efficiently create and configure an agent to enhance user interactions and streamline processes.